Namaskara Vikshakre, Pranam Satyo and hello fellow sapiens. You are watching Motor Traveler Akshay from this side of the video. Today we are going to talk about the first year service of my Triumph Speed Twin 1200 which I got it done recently, and I bought my Speed Twin on August 19, 2022 last year. Okay, so let's quickly get to the subject of this video now. I use my Speed Twin for a weekend rides and also a rare sprint to the office, which is around 30 kilometers from here. I've clocked around 5,000 kilometers on my bike last year, and I recently got it serviced with Kirti Triumph, who is the authorized dealer for Triumph here in Bangalore. And post service, I was provided with a two-part bill. As you can see, one of the tax invoices is specifically for spare parts, and the other one is for the labor. So let's break down on what we have on the spare parts bill here. So as you can see, it's the Speed Twin 1200 got serviced with this bill here, and then we have a kilometer reading of around 5,036 kilometers. As I said, it's 5,000 odd kilometers that I have ridden this bike in a year. Okay, and it's the spare parts doesn't contain much, as I didn't have any complaints on the bike. It's just 3 items on this bill here. The first one being the oil filter, which costs around 900 rupees, and post addition of taxes and everything, it comes to around 1,064 rupees. And then the washer in the ceiling, which is 106 rupees, including taxes 126 rupees. And last but not the least, the most important one is the Castrol 10W50 grade engine oil, which is around 3.4 liters, which goes into the engine, and it costs 715 rupees per liter. So inclusive of all taxes, it costs around 2,869 rupees, or 70 rupees is what you can say. So the total spare part bill here is 4,060 rupees. And once we come to the next bill, which is the labor bill, as you can see, the annual service and consumables are the 2 items that have been listed here, and the labor cost here is 4,073. Yes, so as you can see, the spare parts costed lesser, 4,060, than the labor, which is 4,073. Yeah, they're almost equal, but we can say there is some difference, and this is a higher amount, right? And as you can see, no superbike brand provides you with free services, as you might already know. So you can see that this is Repair Type Triumph annual paid service. Okay, so let's get to the service booklet now. As you can see, I got it serviced. The first service was at 1,000 kilometers, and I got it serviced on 16th of September 2022. And the next service, the yearly service, is either 16,000 kilometers or 10,000 miles, as they call it in UK, or 1 year, whichever comes earlier. And I got it done recently on 29th of August 2023. So this is the bill that you can see, billed for 29th August 2023. So some people might have queries on the type of engine oil being used for superbikes. So this is the Castrol SAE 10W50, which is specifically developed for superbikes. SAE is United States Rating Standards, abbreviated as Society of Automotive Engineers. So the oil is SAE rated as 10W50. Castrol 10W50 engine oil is specifically developed, as I said, for superbikes, which has been told that has higher viscosity and hence better suited for Indian conditions. So the total cost of the service comes to around 8,133 Indian rupees, which I believe is a fair and decent amount for the first service of a superbike, because as far as I've heard, all other superbikes and the same superbike costs much more for others. But as I said, my usage is actually less compared to the others, and it has run only 5,000 kilometers. So this was the cost for me. I believe this gives an overall idea of the servicing. As I said, I didn't have any other complaints, and the bike is doing really well. So if you have any questions or any concerns about this, do let me know your questions in the comments, and I'll definitely respond to each one of you. Thank you.